Hello traders. This video explains about the installation of RoboTrader and its supporting files. Visit our blog www.mt4robotrader.wordpress.com to download all necessary setup files. You can find following links over there. Link 1, Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5. Link 2, MetaTrader 4. Link 3, MySQL Offline Installer. Link 4, MySQL Online Installer. Link 5, RoboTrader. For Windows 7 operating system, download link 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For Windows 8 and 10 operating systems, download link 2, 3, 4 and 5. Installation of downloaded files. For Windows 7 systems, install .NET Framework. Remaining files are common to Windows 7, 8 and 10 systems. Install MetaTrader 4, if you are not installed already. Install MySQL Offline Installer by double-clicking the file. Click on Next. Accept the license agreement by checking the box and click on Next. Click on Typical and click Install. Give permission to continue. Finally click on Finish. Then install MySQL Online Installer by double-clicking the file. Give permission twice to continue. Click on No to stop upgrading the product. Click on Cancel and click on Yes to stop upgrading the product. Click on Reconfigure. Click on Next. Now enter MySQL root password 12345. Repeat password 12345. Click on Next. Again click on Next. And click on Execute. Finally click on Finish. Close the installer window. Then install RoboTrader by double-clicking the setup file. Give permission twice to continue. Click on Next. Accept the license agreement by checking the box and click on Next. Click on Next. Again click on Next. Again click on Next. Finally click on Finish. Give details in the registration form and click on Send OTP. You will receive OTP in your mobile number within 2 minutes. Enter the OTP and click on Register. Call administrator in 9 1 5 9 1 7 6 9 4 9 to get activated. Thank you for watching. Have a safe and happy trading.